Hi friends, it's still your English language teacher, Mr. Kindness Onyekwere, welcoming you to this video segment. The topic under consideration will be grammar in use, then we'll make progress to writing. So we will be studying in this video page 107 from module 7, and then we'll go to page 110, exercise 1 to 3 in these videos. Let's see what the plan is like. This video is a 4-day video, so let's see what the plan is for these 4 days. 4 days includes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, being 20th to 23rd of April. And for each day, this we will be covering. Friends, please remember, you always have homework for each day, and please endeavor to do your homeworks for each day. Now I want you to pause this video, go get your textbook, your notebook, and your pencil and pen. Have you done that? If you've done that, then we can make progress to exercise 6. Remember, in the last video, video number 5, we covered grammar in use from paragraph 1 to 5. So in this video, we'll be covering exercise 6 to the last. Then we go to writing, where we'll take exercise 1 to 3. Now let's get started. Turn to page 107, where we'll see exercise 6. In exercise 6, we want to practice wishes using personal example. Wishes using personal example. It says, say 2 things that you wish you did or had, which you did or had, and 2 things you wish you had not done. 2 things you wish you had done, and 2 things you wish you had not done. Okay? 2 things you did and 2 things that you had not done. So that's you have been asked to do. Pause this video and give a hand on it. Try. Think. What are the 2 things you wish you had done? Or that 2 things you did and 2 things that you had not done? Can you think of any? Then you can see what I thought. This is my own thoughts here. I wish, or if only I had gone to bed early last night. I wish, or if only I didn't have so much schoolwork. I wish, or if only I had more free time. I wish, or if only I hadn't stayed up so late last night. So these are things I wish I had done, and these are things I had not done. I didn't, I had. I hadn't. So did you get that right? Let's move to exercise 7. Here we want to practice the infinitive ing form. That's the aim. So look at the grammar reference section and complete the rules for the infinitive. Infinitive with and infinitive without to, or ing form. Find example in the extract on page 106. So you can go back to page 106, which we covered in the last video, or you can go to the grammar reference 19 to grammar reference 20. Remember, where do you get your grammar reference? At the back of your textbook. Now let's see. Say 1, like, love, enjoy, hate, don't mind, plus what do we have here? What can we put in these spaces? Let's see. You can cross-check your answer now. Yeah. So ing. Here is ing. This 3 is to infinitive. Ing to infinitive. Infinitive without to. Infinitive without to. The ing and the to infinitive. Examples: to infinitive. Want to be, to make, to be, to get rid. The infinitive without to, can't lose. Why not join? Can I eat? Make this happen. Will soon become. Why that ing form? Love exercising. So these are the to infinitive, without to infinitive, and the ing form. Did you get that right? So you can pause this video, go to the grammar reference section. There you'll get more about this. Okay? Let's now go further to the next exercise, and that is exercise number 8. Here we want to practice the infinitive ing form. It says put the verbs in brackets into the correct form. Check in the grammar reference section. I really dash more energy. What can we put here? Is it to infinitive or the ing infinitive? What do you think will be here? I really want dash more energy. So what do you think? Let's see. Pause this video, try it out before you get to the answer. This is the to infinitive. The ing here, did you see it? Doing, doing. Play, playing. This is to go, to lose. So you can see it. These ones have the ing without ing, infinitive. Did you see it? This is the to infinitive, the ing infinitive, and the to infinitive. Good. So we make progress to the next. We want to practice infinitive ing forms in the next exercise number 9. Say put the verbs in brackets into the correct form. How do they differ in meaning? Check in the grammar reference section. A. Remember dash. Now what will be the difference? What does this buy and this buy? What do they have in different? Remember dash buy some milk. I remember dash buy milk, but I think I left it on the bus. So let's see. Now you can see remember to buy some milk. That is to say, don't forget to buy some milk. This I remember buying ing milk, but I think I left it on the bus. Here, don't forget. This means what? Recall. I remembered. I recalled buying the milk, but I forgot it. So the same with this. Running. This means ceased completely, and this stopped. To drink. This means to take a break. The difference between this and this is that while this is to cease completely, this one is to take a break. This is to tell someone sorry, and this wish he hadn't. Asking. We regret telling, and he regretted asking. So you can see the difference. Alright? Okay? We want to make progress now to the next, and that will be what? The next exercise will be 10. We want to practice keyword transformation. Say complete the sentences using the words in bold. Use between 2 and 5 words. So we use between 2, 3, 4, 5. Can we use 6? No. Say we should use between 2 and 5 words. That means we can use 1, we can use 2, 3, 4, 5, but we can't use 6. Okay? Let's see. You can cross-check your answer with mine. You can get fit no matter how old you are. You're never too old to get fit. Did you get that right? So you can fill in these words in the spaces given. If you check, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 here. 1, 2, 3. You see none is 1 and none is more than 5. So always remember to follow instruction. Now we go over to the next exercise 11. You say think of a problem you have. Write what you wish for. Instead, then swap papers. Your partner advises you what to do. Use the text in exercise 1 as a model. Think of a problem you have. Write what you wish for instead. So this wishing. Let's see. To write a problem and give advice using conditional wishes. Let's see. I wish, or if only I didn't feel so tired all the time. What can I do? and your friend is advising you, if I were you, I would get to bed earlier, and you continue taking vitamin supplement, would be a good idea too. Did you get it? This is your wish, and that is the advice. Did you get that right? Okay. So now I want you to turn your attention, turn to page 110. Turn to page 110 on the writing. Go to writing now, page 110. Let's start. On the writing says, read the rubric and underline the key words. Then answer the questions. Your teacher has asked you to write an essay presenting the pros and cons, advantages and disadvantages of energy drinks. Write your essay 120 to 160 words. What should you write? What style should your essay be written in? Is it formal or informal style? Should advantages and disadvantages of the topic be discussed in the same paragraph? What should each main body paragraph start with? So I want you to answer this. Get your textbook, your notebook, because you have to write this in your notebook. Remember the format, exercise 1, page 1010. On the writing, we want to analyze a rubric. So you can now see, I have answered it this way. What are the keywords? Teacher asks, write an essay, pros and cons of energy drink, 120 to 160 words. A pro and con essay is formal. Would they be advantage and disadvantage be in the same paragraph? No, they will be in separate paragraphs. And what should each main body paragraph start with? It has to start with a topic sentence. Do you get that right? Okay. Let's see. Number 2, we want to read a model essay and match paragraphs to content. This is the model essay now. I want you to read this model essay. Then these are the paragraphs. So we want to match these paragraphs to content. Let's see the question now. The question comes. It says, read the model and match the paragraphs A to D to the headings 1 to 4. So we have A to D and we have headings 1 to 4. So read it and match. Then you can check if your answer is right. So we have C, D, A, and B. Did you get that right? Now we want to go to exercise 3. It says we want here to deconstruct a model essay. And here we have read the essay again and complete the table in your notebook. We have argument for, justifications, and examples. We have arguments against, justification, and example. This particular argument and for, we use it for debates when you are arguing for and you are arguing against. So let's see what would the topic be. Exercise 3. Exercise 1, what we wrote on say read the rubric and underline the keywords. When we want to write the pros and the cons of energy drink, so the pros and the cons, argument for and arguments again, advantages and disadvantages. So let's see what it will be now. Yeah, number 1, argument. Yes, energy drink can give an energy, can boost your energy. And what is the justification? When it boosts your energy, people can exercise for longer. Okay, we have 2. It contains vitamins and minerals. What is the justification? It helps the body to perform better. Now the person arguing against says it has high amount of sugar and caffeine. And this is his justification. It can cause weight gain and health problem. And number 2 says it can be addictive. If you take it regularly, you can become addicted to it. So what is the justification? It can lead to headache and mood swing. So that has been it, friends. Thank you very much. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please endeavor to do your homework for each day. Many thanks. See you soon. Bye.